स्ट्रीट डांस का मतलब कहाँ भी टैलेंट जो इंडिया में है विच इज़ नॉट प्रॉब्ली ट्रेन स्कूल में या कोई भी ट्रेनिंग नहीं लिया है कुछ भी आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम इफ इट्स इंडियन और एनीथिंग टू डू विथ हिप हॉप और कुछ भी ब्रेक डांस बट इट हैज़ टू बी वेरी वेरी गुड नॉट ओनली जिमनास्टिक्स बिकॉज मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि जिमनास्टिक्स आप जिमनास्टिक कॉम्पिटिशन ले लो या एक्रोबैटिक्स आप सर्कस में करो बट डांस इज डांस एंड आई वांट टू सी डांस एंड इंडिया में इतना टैलेंट है मैं 25 साल से मैं आई मीन ट्राइंग टू गेट टैलेंट ऑल ओवर द प्लेस सो खोपची गली में जैसे गली क्रिकेट अच्छा है दिस इज गली डांस एनीवेयर खोपची डांस एनी काइंड ऑफ डांस on the street we want to find talent in India all over India actually I've been trying for many years to bring dance to India तो अभी डांस थोड़ा आया है दिल तो बागले के बाद little bit even more so now I want to get not only the people who can come to class but everybody on the street who can take a video on the phone and show me how they can dance anybody child an adult anybody they can do whatever they want to do I don't care but they have to be good dancers so I can train them in my school. I like jazz. I like Bollywood. I like little bit, Bollywood. I like classical dances. But for me, my favorite dance is what I do, which I'm trying to, when you see Shamak's kind of dance in Bollywood, it's very different to what I do on stage. So I'm developing that, so I love doing that. ये शो में शूशा नहीं है ये शो में if today your child is dancing in the hall, in the garden, in your chawl, in your gully, you're dancing amongst your friend in a Khopchi area, in some little garden. I want that talent who's good. I don't want, costume and I do enough of that. I want to find talent that is raw, raw talent which I can polish in my school and bring my school and, make these guys good dancers. I see enough talent. I see lots and lots of talent every day. But I'll tell you something. The people who come to my classes are not the people, and the ones who have talent are not the people from high society. They actually come from a different class. And for me, I don't care about class. I still will use them. In my shows, they are part of my culture, they're part of my everything. I think Shahid, because Shahid mera, he's taken my understanding. I think Hrithik because he comes very close to my kind of जब मैं धूम टू किया मेरा स्टाइल बहुत अलग है the song with Hrithik and Aishwarya but Hrithik really came very close to my style very difficult to do even when Madhuri spoke to me she said हमको ये आपका स्टाइल बहुत अलग है ये काउंटिंग भी अलग है the rhythm is अलग and it's not what I'm used to but in 5 minutes she did it अरे they're so talented unbelievable. I think आएगा because सबके पास टेलीफोन है सबके पास सेल फोन है सबके पास they have equipment to just record and give because as someone said कि how can a poor child do that but poor child का दोस्त के पास जैसे फोन होगा वो फोन on the video they will just shoot that's enough for me to see to select इतना रियलिटी शोज आया है but इतना बेहतरीन टैलेंट मुझे नहीं मिला इतना फैंटास्टिक नहीं 1 or 2
Just drop it.